Stucco. This is how I make it shine. For applying stucco, you will need several tools. First, a smoothing blade, a trowel, also called a Japanese trowel, a trowel of a good size, and an American knife. With stucco, you can easily achieve either a matte or glossy finish. First, on your matte acrylic primer, sand your surface with at least 180 grit to remove the stippled effect of the primer. Using a slightly damp cloth, dust off your surface. Take the material in small amounts and place it along your smoothing blade. Apply from top to bottom with broad strokes, making sure to press down firmly. The goal is to create a very even stucco base. Let it dry for at least 2 hours. Once your stucco is dry, sand with 250 grit. Remove the dust thoroughly using a dry cloth. For your second coat, the objective is to create movement in the design. To do this, apply in an irregular but consistent way, while leaving no excess thickness so as not to create visible joins. Let your second coat dry again for at least 2 hours. For the third coat, apply to areas of about 50 square centimeters. Then wipe your spatula with a slightly damp cloth and burnish your still fresh stucco several times to make it shine. It is essential to view it at a 45-degree angle against the light to see the matte areas that still need burnishing. Repeat the process. Apply. Clean your trowel. Burnish your stucco. Finally, allow your surface to dry completely. For the wax, place a small dab of wax on your spatula and spread it as far and as thinly as possible. Then, for better shine efficiency, you can apply a second coat. This will also give you extra protection thanks to the wax. Once dry, use a clean cloth to buff your stucco to remove any possible marks.